Portwell's RS4U-B656, a fanless industrial box PC based on our own brand PCOM B656 Type 6 COM Express module, and equipped with the 11th generation Intel Core i3, i5, i7, or Celeron processors. With Intel Iris Xe graphics inside, the platform offers up to 2.95 times faster graphics performance than previous models. Plus, it also features PCI Express 4.0, Thunderbolt 4, and USB 4. The platform combines a high-performance CPU, which offers up to 23% faster single-thread performance and up to 19% faster multi-thread performance. With its compact, space-saving, and fanless design, Portwell RS4U-B656 could combine with a security camera, utilizing AI technologies to identify whether an individual has authorized access to the factory and whether standard personal protective equipment is properly used. RS4U-B656's high-performance CPU and GPU can empower AI-enabled AOI system combining with advanced cameras for component identification. Additionally, the combo of RS4U-B656's high-performance CPU, GPU, and advanced cameras can detect any appearance defects in steel parts. Portwell's RS4U-B656 supports Intel TSN and TCC technologies, so it can provide real-time capabilities and high-performance computing. For even more solutions, contact Portwell, your trusted partner in intelligent computing.